what I just found in the mail.
Ooh, what? Ooh. It came from Canada.
Yeah.
Ooh, cool stuff from Canada. So that's a good interruption to the building of giant crazy stuff.
So we have Hummingbird Models was having a big sale.
No, they weren't having a sale. Their future sales are in question.
Their future sales are in question. So we ordered a bunch of kits from them, and so we are going to show you what we got.
And I'm going to do something here. I'm going to glue myself to a giant rocket plane. Sounds like a great idea. Hey, that's a cheap way to get into space.
Hey, do you have a knife?
I do have a knife.
Okay.
But I'm still caught up in the fact that I realized that there's like a VCR box here that's been laser cut. That's kind of cool. I'm sorry, I kind of nerd out on that type of thing.
Alright. So let's cut tape.
You'll get to see it in a minute. We all get to see it at the same time. So the question is, how quickly do I intervene on my wife trying to open a very interesting box, actually. You know, there are a lot of modeling outfits that like to have their own little quirk. Well, Hummingbird, theirs is the packaging is actually kind of cool. I don't know. I just kind of like those little details like that. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm the one who's weird and geeks out about these things. Do you want me to get that?
Yeah.
You want me to get that? I'll get that. I'll try to get that.
Okay.
If I can figure it out myself. So these are manufactured by a Canadian modeler by the name of Bernard Guest. He is I believe his main profession is geology, but he makes these kits, and he's currently in the process of switching jobs, so the model business may be kind of going dormant for a little while for him. Not sure.
What's the other side that I cut? That side.
Was it?
Yeah.
This is a puzzle. This actually is a puzzle. I'm not actually 100% sure how to get in here. That's kind of funny. Okay, so it would appear that what I have to do is free an entire one of these sides, and then we go from there. Except Bernard uses the good tape as opposed to the... Oh, it's glued there. Is it glued here? It's not. I don't think it's glued here. So we'll try up here then. I'm just going to point out that my package foo has been completely left in the dust by this. I thought I knew how to package things, but this is next level right here. So the way a lot of this works is these are short kits. They're very, very high quality short kits, and what you do is you can either order pre-printed plans from Bernard, or you can pay a small fee for some of the plans. Some of them are free. Download them and then go and print them, locally. Which, in our case, we have a...
Locally means we go in the living room and print it from our large format printer.
Because we have that, because we're a business, and, we just randomly have a giant 42-inch plotter. Which I happen to really like having that. Everybody should have a giant plotter. Okay, here we go.
Alright, so the first one that we ordered...
Oh, he did include full-size plans for that. That's kind of cool.
Is...
Make sure we don't lose. What are those? I don't know what the, I think it's a propeller kit. Okay, this is awesome.
Okay, then.
Caleb, you gotta let this one alone. Alright, so this is a half-size Wakefield, the Flying Cloud Wakefield, which is a very classic airplane. And so what you do is, plans are printed on 11 by 17s. This is Paul Bradley's design, and Bernard partnered with him to make these kits, which are just awesome. There is a kit included so you can carve your own propeller. He's got these plywood cores for it to reinforce it. So it's basically a stack to get. I'm sorry, I want to get my hands on it too.
Oh, sorry.
It's because it's just so cool. So it's a stacked together deal, and then the cores here drop out. You glue the those in there for the parts that get the hardwood reinforcing. I'm sorry, I'm really geeking out because these are...
That is really cool.
Yeah, it is awesome. And we won't open this up at the moment, but really nice. Man, he cuts everything. So even the uprights are laser cut and whatnot. So all you have to do is supply your own strip wood. That's next level stuff right there. That's awesome. Very cool. Let's see. I think a few things might have gotten loose. You can see right there.
You can't hold it though.
All right, let's see what the next.
And this one is.
Is this the Oh, okay. This is the Techno Eraser, the Piaggio PC7. So this is a really crazy airplane. It actually was built. You won't be able to tell from, actually maybe if you can see the 3-view right here. So this thing is absolutely crazy. It's a seaplane that it had a propeller out the back, so it was designed to hydroplane up using the propeller, the water propeller, and then you would start up the air propeller after you got it up on plane. So it didn't have pontoons or anything. Very cool, and all
They
sorts.
included the built-up prop again, and then all sorts of different pieces.
And
we also
you have to pay extra for this, but yes. Pre-printed tissue.
We ordered the pre-printed tissue so that way we have the decals and all that, and we don't have to design our own.
Fantastic. And I'll have to ask him. I assume this is waterproof ink. So, yeah, the cool factor is off the charts, and I need to carefully hold that back up. Okay, and so there is one more after that. Oh man, the detail in all of that is incredible.
Is that supposed to be for a radio engine?
Well, it's your front end assembly. I think those are just lightning holes to make it lighter up front. Well, we got to build them first, Caleb. All right, so this is a I just got tongue-tied. A Polikarpov I-16. Russian name is the Rada or something like that. The Rat. So it's a big radial engine airplane. Well, it has a big radial engine, very small airplane. Oh man, the cool factor is just, yeah. So, bottom line, kits they're not cheap for short kits. They're not like exorbitantly expensive. But they're a little more than a lot of your typical short kits, but you get a lot more. I mean, this is very, very high quality wood, hand selected and whatnot, and he's put a lot of detail into all the little parts on it.
Yeah.
So there's not a huge number of parts or anything like that, but it's high quality wood and whatnot, and so he does a very good job on these. Several people in the free flight world have recommended I try them out. Actually, Hope's going to be trying them out because I ordered them because I knew she wanted them. So she fell in love with the flying cloud. Not surprisingly, that's an incredibly cute little airplane. This will be super cute too. So there will now be 2 Russian fighter planes in her hangar. She has something going on about that. I have dominated that. Any closing thoughts?
I think that's it. We will definitely show you guys what they look like as we, I don't know if we'll do it as we build out or if it'll just be at the end. But we'll definitely do another video so that way you guys can see what they look like. Bye.